Hi everyone, welcome to Code with Yusuf channel. In this video we'll create personal portfolio website using React.js. So we will create this beautiful personal portfolio website. So let's check it. It is fully responsive for all devices. Yeah, about section, also the services section, and come to the project section, which projects recently you have done, the contact section and the footer. Okay, so about services, projects, all sections, and let's check it for mobile. Okay, check it for mobile. So let's get started to build this portfolio website. So before starting, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's start. So first of all, we will create the React app using this command line npx create React app, then the name of the app. After creating the React app, we will install the bootstrap because I am using bootstrap for designing, and then we will install AOS animation unscroll, which is used for animation, and then typewriter effects. We will install this for typing or for text animation. So after installing these dependencies, so now let's start first of all from navbar. We will create the navbar. We will start from navbar. So let's start that. So first of all, import the bootstrap and the collapse of canvas and drop down from bootstrap. Then we will use the navbar from bootstrap 5. Just simply come here and just copy the bootstrap 5 navbar whenever you copied this. So just come here and paste it here. We will now customize it. Just remove this forum and also come here and just HR, it should be closed because React every tag should be closed, and just make it. I will just do the setting of this. Okay, yeah, we have the navbar now. So let's run the local server npm start to see it in the browser. Wait a second to load to run the server. Yeah, we have navbar. So now I will just design it and make it. So let's come here to the navbar back. So here what we should do, just to make it dark and also dark, and make it container, and also make it fixed top, and also now the navbar is on left side, so to make it to the right side we should make it ms02, so it will shift to the right side. So let's see it. Okay, it has shifted to the right side. So now let's change the name, home, then we have about, and remove this drop down. Also remove the disabled one and just copy this. Home, services, projects, after about services, projects, also footer. Okay, yes, we have this. Now let's design it. Write the CSS for that navbar to make it black. Now it was dark, a little bit whiter. To make it black we should use this. Also the important Navbar brand. Yeah, to change the setting for this Navbar brand, should make it use of. Yes, we have did this. Now let's write the design for list. Yeah, we have the navbar now. So to make it responsive for mobile, so now we have like this to open it from left side. So let's do that. To do that, let's come to the bootstrap 5, to the app canvas, code of app canvas, come here and just paste it here under the nav tag. Yeah, whenever you have pasted that, so let's, and what to do, just change the database toggle, copy this and come here to the navbar database toggle and paste it here instead of collapse. Also database target, copy this and come here, paste instead of this. Whenever you paste that, just remove this button and link. Yes, whenever you remove that, so let's remove this drop down button and just copy the above links. Yes, copy these links, paste the links, paste the links here and just remove. Let's save it and check it. Okay, let's make it mobile. Yes, we have this for mobile. Okay, so now let's come to the home section. So let's create the home folder first of all, and home.js and also home.css file for designing. So let's start. First of all, I will import React, then function home. I will export default home, return. Yes, class name width 100, and also I will assign a class home. Yes, I will create another div which is container with us, and also another div row. Now we will create two parts. First part will be for displaying text and the second part will be for displaying the image. So for small devices 12 and for medium devices 6, and also for large one it's 6 part. And the same, I will just copy this and for this too. Come first of all to the text part. So here first we have will write in h3 tag welcome. So I will assign a class for it. The class name will be welcome text. Now I will write the text of which we are animating. So for that I am using h1 tag. So in one tag here I should write I am a web developer or designer, so which is animating, and for that we use a typewriter effect. So first of all I will import that. Import type writer from typewriter effect. Okay, now let's use that typewriter. Let's write the options of it. Options. So auto start true, and loop true with us. Also delay for example 60 millisecond, and strings. I am web developer. If you would like to write a second string, so you can write just like here, separating by comma. I am web designer, for example. Okay, we have wrote this. So what now I will write the text for I am a web developer. So I will just copy it. Yes, so I wrote this text. Here I will write the icons, the GitHub, Twitter and other my profile links here. I will just write them, and first of all we have a link for that, and so I will just copy the links of my profiles. So I have copied the links of my profiles, so I have used here the icons. I will just import these icons. So to import them we should use font awesome. So first of all import for GitHub from brands. Okay, also let's import for Facebook. Okay, it is also copy imported, and let's import for Twitter. Okay, after Twitter we have another for LinkedIn. For LinkedIn, yes, I have imported these links. And now let's come to the image part. I will just write the image here. src is equal to alt. I will close the tag src. Here I will import my image. Yeah, come here and just import images /usab.png. it is an image, so let's write it here. Yeah, I have wrote this. So let's check that font awesome. So I should import the font awesome also. Import font awesome icon from font awesome. Okay, let's so now let's check that. Okay, we have this. So now let's apply CSS on it. So home text part, and also we have these classes, assign these. So now let's apply CSS on it. First of all I will assign the background for it. I should import the home.css file. Import. Let's see that. Okay, yeah, we have this. So now let's make this text to the white. To change that, let's assign a class here, text white. Okay, yeah, we have it is under the navbar, because the navbar is effects top with us. So now we will make that. Let's come here and just assign the classes for dot home text part. So display will be flex with us, and align items should be center vertically. See that? Okay, we have centered the items, and also change the text of welcome. Home text part H3 color RGB with us 225 178, and it should be important. Okay, we have changed this. And also the image part, home image part, padding top will be 72 pixel. Also let's change the icons, the icons 20 pixel, padding 0, topping down, and left and right will be 10 pixel with us. Okay, yes, I have write this CSS code, CSS design. Okay, I have write this, change the color of H3 and home image part, icons, and whenever H or an icon change the color. And for small devices I have write the height auto, and change the text also to the center, and also for large devices the padding left will be 80 pixels. So now let's see it. Okay, yeah, we have this home part. So let's make the image a little bit. Yes, padding top 5 pixel 5. So yeah, we have this home part. Now let's move to the about part. So I will create a folder for about, and also about.js file and about.css file. So let's start about part. Here import React and come here to the function about, and just export about, come here and write W, and it is about part with us, and come here row, and let's separate first part for image and the second part will be for text. So for this let's call 12, call md 6, and call lg 6, and also it is about text part with us. Now image src is equal to alt, and it should be close. Let's import the image from images slash to png. Just write it here, and let's now move to the second part, which is text part with us, and just copy this class, paste it here, and it is about text. Oh, it is about image part with us. let's write here the text. I have copied the text. Now let's move to other information to write that. Yeah, table tbody and tr td and also second td. In the first td we will write the name, and the second we will just write Mohammed Yusuf, and just add here a class padding end 5 because after name it will take space, then it will show the name. So now I will just simply copy this, Control V, and write the age. After that let's write another one, which is address. Okay, this time, and another one will be with as phone. Yes, and email. Okay, we have wrote these. So now let's write a button too. Add class name button and download CV. Okay, button. I will style the button later. So now let's import this. So to import this, let's write about. Yeah, from about let's write this about. Yeah, Control C. Let's see it. Yeah, we have this. So now let's design it. Just the design of it has remained. Now let's design it. So to design it, first we will come here and add here padding top for 5 and come to the about.css file. Here first of all the about section, background color will be black, and the transition no new the now the transition, let's that about text part, display flex, align items center. It will vertically align the items. And dot download, let's add a class to the button. Download CV. And that color will be white and background color will be RGB 211 93 211. And also let's add HOR. Color will be transparent and color will be white. The text color will be white and border will be 1 pixel solid RGB. Okay, So now let's see it. Yeah, we have this. The background didn't changed. That about background color black. Yes, let's import this. Import. Let's see it. Okay, yes, we have this. So let's change the color of this. Text white. Bootstrap class. Okay, so now let's add margin top for 4. Yes, let's add transition to this. Okay, whenever we scroll this, the transition should add to this. So to add the transition, we should use AOS. Import AOS from AOS. Okay, whenever we imported this, so now let's use it. First of all, on the image part, data AOS is equal to fade right, and also copy this fade left. Let's see. Oh, we should add the use effect. Yeah, just remove this. Let's didn't apply it. Let's add import AOS test slash CSS. Yes, we have the transition now. See it? Okay, let's add some padding here. So to make it container, let's just add a div here. It should be container with us. Class name container. Yes, we have it now. So now let's move to the services section. Let's start services part. Function services. Just export the services part. Okay, and come here, write the code for the services part. Class class name will be services, padding will be 5, and let's write the text. Class name will be my services, text, okay, and padding top of this will be 5. So let's write our text here, my, and in span tag I should write the services because I would like to change the color of services. Yes, so take a line under this, and after that draw a line HR tag. Now let's move to the services, the containers part. So it will be with as a container, and here this will be with as row, and here we will write our boxes for the services. Okay, the first one call will be 12, call MD 6, and call LG 6. Okay, call LG will be 4 because we have 3 boxes in our line. Let's add another div, class name, add the border to this div, and this will be our service. Okay, now let's add our text here. First of all, we have an icon, so let's add the icon. To add the icon, let's write in span tag, and in span we have our font awesome icon. Font, let's first of all import font awesome icon. Import font awesome icon. I will just import the icons. I have imported these 3 icons, so now let's use them. Font awesome icon, let's add the first one icon. First one will be code be as, and let's add the text. Should add H5. Here we have web development, and let's add the description for this. You just add the description. Yes, after adding the descriptions, let's make another box. Just copy this, paste it here, and paste it here for another one, and change this to to reduce this icon, and also coffin. Okay, this will be with us. Photography, and also web design. Yes, so now let's import this in portfolio. Import services. Okay, just services. Okay, so now let's see what happened, how it looks like. Okay, yes, we have these. So now let's make and design it. Come here to the service. First of all, yes, this here we will add text center. It will center the element, the texts in elements, and also let's add margin top 5 for this. So let's add here the padding 3, and also let's add the padding of 4, and let's add here class name margin top 4. So I will add these in these 2 other boxes too. Now let's see it now. Okay, yes, we have this, the design. Let's add the CSS to this. Yeah, to add the CSS, I will just add a class here to these tags. Service icon. Okay, now let's add the text here. Yeah, first we have the service. For the service part, we should add the background color black, and text color will be white with us. And also we will add design the HR tag. This HR tag, this one, let's design it. So to design that, I will just write the code. Height will be 2 pixel, and background image gradient, linear gradient, and let's add to the left, and also black, white, and black. We will add this to the HR tag. So let's save it and just import the CSS file here. Import services.css. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have added that. I will just make these services. Yes, that has added now. Now let's design my service text. Text align center. Yes, my service text, this one. And also let's service text span color will be RGB 2011. Okay, and also that service icon to design this. maybe h over on a box and a service, so that should take a second. It is for that service h over, and h over we should apply this background color will be this, and transform scale 1.1, and also cursor will be pointer with us. Dots. White. The icon should change to white. And also let's copy this. Now let's see that yes, we have this beautiful design. Okay, to border this, let's add a border class. It didn't apply it. Now let's see that yes, now it has designed. And a border add. So class name border. Yes. Now we have the border. So let's add the padding to this. Padding to yes. So now let's add the animation. Okay, to add the animation, let's add EOS library first of all. Import EOS. From EOS also import EOS CSS. Yes. Now let's first of all use the use effect hook. Come here and just use effect. Let's make it just to render on the first render. Start init duration 2000, and also let's add it here. To this one, also to this one, and this one. Data EOS is equal to, the first one will be fade right, and this one will be zoom in and fade left. Let's see it. Yes, see it. We have this now. So it was the my services part. So let's move to the project part. Yeah, let's write the code of projects part. So the project part is same to the services, just here also we have 3 boxes. inline. So I will just, to save the time, I will copy this code and edit it for projects. Okay, so here we don't use the icons, and also it should be replaced on projects.css, and it also should be replaced on projects. Also it is projects with us, it is my projects text, and also let's here and export projects. Okay, so now here what I should change, my projects. Yes, my projects, and it is container with us, and here it is the same, and this should be changed. Now we should use the bootstrap 5 card. It should replace to a card, and remove this. The text in card should be dark, and here I will remove this. Instead of this I will write an image, src is equal to, I will import the image for this, and the class name for this will be name is equal to img cart top. Also let's add alt social media. I will just import an image for this. Import the name is not like this, media main.png, and also I should import two other images. Import. Yes, I have imported the images, so now I will use the images. So first of all, come here, social media. Okay, after image, now I will write the code card body. Write the code for card body. H5 social media app. I will add the class name for this, card title. Okay, after that let's add a p tag. I will just write some text. Yeah, after adding the text, now let's add a button here, a trip or button. I will use the class name button for this. Okay, more detail. Alright, let's copy this card and paste on others too. It is zoom in as, and also fit left. Yes, now just change the images. Online wood and job portal. Let's import it now. Projects. Also let's change the CSS of this. Yeah, to change it will be projects with us. It is the HR, it is my project text, and also my project text. And remove this. Okay. Yeah, let's add some code per card. Transition 2 seconds whenever we each over on a card, so it should take 2 seconds. Card at each over, cursor, pointer, and also transform scale 1.1, and let's start card body. That card body A to the button. Let's add some style. Color will be white and background color will be this. Whenever we H over on H over, after H over, the background color should be changed. Transparent and border. Yes, let's see it. Oh, online project portfolio. Where is the error? Yes, come here. Just remove this. Come here and see it now. Yes, we have my projects section. Okay, so it was my project section. Now let's move to the contact part. Let's create the contact folder, and also judges contact.css. Okay, let's import it. New class name contact, text center and text white color. Now let's come to the, we will write the H1 contact, and also let's write one another BR. Here we will write the HR tag. Here now let's write the div, and add the class name for this, mx mdo2. It means on the center for medium and large devices. And also text will be in the center, and container. Okay, now let's add a add a forum. Class name for this will be forum group, margin top 2, and let's add label for username, input type it is equal to text, and class name controls input form, placeholder, enter name. Yeah, now just copy this for email, and change this to email, and also change this to email, and enter email. After email we have the message. Paste it here, just write message. Okay, message, this will be text area, and add class name here, form control, and also add placeholder message, add calls is equal to 30, and rows is equal to 10. Now let's add a button. Type will be button, class name button, message me, and also let's export default contact. Yes, and now let's add the CSS for contact. That contact ground color will be black, and also the HR. For the HR height it will be 2 pixel, and background image will be WebKit liner gradient, left black, white, black. Okay, and other button. For the button we should use color, and also border 1 pixel, so let RGB background transparent. Control C, Control V, that button, H over, and H over color will be white. Background color should be like this. Media, screen, main width for large devices, the forum should be 50%. Okay, so let's import it. Just come here, contact, let's see now. Okay, yes, we have these now. Just to make a little bit changes in it, let's import the contact. Contact.css. Let's see it. Yes, we have it. Just to make it in the center. Yeah, we should apply that on this. We should change the width of this for large devices. Let's see it now. Okay, so now let's add above the button margin, class name, margin top 2. Yes, now let's add the footer. To add the footer, come here and just footer /gs, and also let's create footer.css. Okay, add here footer.js, React, footer, return, export default footer. Just come here and write a div, add class name here, margin padding top will be 5, padding will be 3, and the text will be the center, text center, beige dark, text to white. Now let's add the text here, 22 with Yusuf. Let's import it here, footer, yes, we have the footer. Yes, padding button will be 2. Yes, so it was all about just to click on this to perform this action. Let's Just for example, in contact, just add in id is equal to contact. Okay, and here in navbar, just come here in navbar and the contact section, just in href add hash contact. Yeah, add this. Okay, you can see now. Okay, to the contact section. So it was all about personal portfolio using React.js. So if you have liked the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more and more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.